1000 LB Sisters Tammy Slaton getting her own adventure and dating life spin-off after hit new season. Fans of TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters are buzzing with excitement and curiosity as rumors swirl that Tammy Slaton might finally be getting her very own spin-off series, centered around her personal adventures and dating life, following the incredible success of the most recent season. The speculation began after several cryptic social media posts, cast interviews, and behind-the-scenes hints suggested that the network could be exploring ways to give Tammy a solo spotlight as she embarks on a new chapter of her life post-weight loss and post-major lifestyle changes. Tammy Slaton's journey has been nothing short of dramatic, inspiring, and at times heartbreaking, as audiences have watched her go from struggling with extreme obesity and severe health issues to becoming a reality TV icon whose transformation has shocked even the most devoted viewer. Now, with fans craving more insight into her post-show evolution, a spin-off focusing on her travels, adventures, and potentially her dating life could be the perfect next step for TLC. The latest season of 1000 LB Sisters was a massive hit, featuring both the Slaton sisters, Tammy and Amy, navigating the complexities of weight loss, family struggles, and newfound independence. Tammy's storyline in particular captivated audiences, as she made significant progress following her bariatric surgery and opened up about wanting to live life to the fullest. Viewers saw a new side of her, more motivated, determined, and open to change, which naturally sparked interest in what comes next for her outside of the family dynamic that has defined the series so far. A potential spin-off could follow Tammy as she travels to new places, meets new people, and even explores the world of dating now that she has regained a sense of confidence and mobility that seemed impossible just a few years ago. Reports suggest that TLC producers have been closely monitoring audience feedback and social media trends, noticing how Tammy-centric episodes and clips consistently generate higher engagement and viral moments. From TikTok edits celebrating her weight loss to fan-driven campaigns encouraging TLC to give her a solo platform, it's clear that viewers are invested in her life beyond the shared story with her sister Amy. In recent interviews, Tammy has hinted that she is ready to step into a more independent lifestyle, mentioning her interest in traveling, trying new activities, and maybe even meeting someone special. These hints have only fueled speculation that the rumored spin-off might showcase a mix of her personal adventures and the raw, emotional insights that made 1000 LB Sisters a success. The concept of a dating life spin-off is particularly intriguing to fans, as Tammy's romantic history has been well documented on the main series, often fraught with challenges and public scrutiny. Past relationships sometimes became controversial storylines, with fans voicing concern over whether certain partners were supportive of her health goals. A new show could allow Tammy to rewrite her romantic narrative, focusing on self-discovery, confidence, and perhaps finding a partner who genuinely shares her lifestyle ambitions. Moreover, TLC's track record with spin-offs like My 600 LB Life, Where Are They Now? And other reality TV side projects shows that audiences love follow-up journeys, especially when a beloved cast member takes center stage in a fresh context. Industry insiders believe that the timing for a Tammy-focused spin-off couldn't be better. The latest season's finale left viewers wanting more, and Tammy's transformation has given producers a golden opportunity to create a narrative of empowerment, self-love, and second chances. Some sources even suggest that test filming may have already occurred, capturing Tammy engaging in new experiences that might surprise longtime fans. Whether it's ziplining, attending singles events, or exploring cities she's never visited, the idea of seeing Tammy out in the world, living life to the fullest, has undeniable appeal. Social media reactions indicate that fans are ready to support her journey, with many saying they would tune in religiously to see her adventures unfold. In addition to personal growth, a spin-off could also dive deeper into Tammy's mental and emotional journey, offering a more intimate look at the challenges she faces as she navigates fame, relationships, and health maintenance. Viewers often feel connected to her because of her vulnerability and honesty, and a solo series could provide a safe space for her to share both her victories and her setbacks without the distraction of the broader family drama. Amy Slaton, while still beloved by fans, has been busy managing her own family life and new marriage storylines, which makes it a natural time for Tammy to step out and claim the spotlight on her own terms. Speculation about the show's title and format is already spreading across fan forums and entertainment blogs. Potential titles like Tammy's Next Chapter, Tammy Unstoppable, or Tammy Slayton, Adventures in Love have been thrown around by excited viewers eager to see the concept become reality. Some envision a hybrid style of production, blending the heartfelt storytelling of 1000 LB Sisters with the more adventurous, reality dating vibes of shows like 90 Day Fiancé or Sister Wives spin-offs. TLC has not officially confirmed or denied these rumors, but network executives have acknowledged fan interest in the Slayton sisters remains incredibly strong and that opportunities for expanding the franchise are always on the table. Tammy herself has been adding fuel to the fire by posting cryptic TikToks and Instagram updates that show her in new environments and teasing big announcements. Recently, she shared a video with the caption, "New adventures coming soon," which immediately sent fans into a frenzy speculating that filming for the rumored spin-off was already underway. Whether intentional or not, her playful engagement with fans has only made the idea of a dating and adventure Aries more believable. If the spin-off does move forward, it could represent a powerful cultural moment in reality TV. Tammy's story is one of resilience, transformation, and self-acceptance, themes that resonate far beyond the niche audience of weight loss series. Watching her embrace life, travel, and potentially find love could inspire viewers who have followed her journey from the beginning, turning her into not just a reality star, but a symbol of what is possible when determination meets opportunity. Fans will undoubtedly be keeping a close eye on TLC's announcements in the coming months to see if this dream project becomes a reality, and if Tammy Slayton will truly get to step into her next adventure with cameras rolling and the world cheering her on. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.